This is a brand new 2014 Mercedes-Benz CLS 550. This four-door sedan has a 7-speed automatic transmission, a 4.7-liter V8, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, keyless go, a sunroof, active ventilated and heated front seats, speed-sensitive volume controls, blind spot assist, a low tire pressure indicator, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a front and rear multi-link suspension, a twin turbocharged forced induction system, cornering lights, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and lane keeping assist. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, side impact airbags, a first aid kit, rear seat child-proof door locks, a split folding rear seat, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Thank you for considering Mercedes-Benz of Fort Washington for your next luxury vehicle. We are conveniently located at 404 Pennsylvania Avenue in Fort Washington. We look forward to serving you.